Keeping equipment of all kinds lubricated and moving is a big job. The task becomes even more challenging when conditions normally harsh and hostile to proper lubrication complicate the process. Most equipment, be it over the road, recreational or industrial, demands well-engineered and technically advanced lubricants, both oil and grease, that deliver peak performance across a wide range of operational parameters. Bilstein, a member of the Krupp-Hisch Group, a Fortune 200 company, has met this challenge with the introduction of R-2000, a unique family of greases for demanding operational needs. The unique chemistry of R-2000 grease provides superior protection under virtually all operating conditions. R-2000 formulations cover operating temperatures from -40 to +600 degrees Fahrenheit and excel in conditions of high load, moisture and humidity, where extreme pressure, anti-wear and corrosion resistance are important requirements. Bilstein R-2000 is a calcium sulfonate complex grease. The advantages of petroleum sulfonates have been long known to lubricating engineers. Calcium sulfonate has been used for years to provide detergency in crankcase oils, rust protection in industrial oils, and extreme pressure properties in metalworking oils. Now, thanks to Bilstein's advanced research and development efforts, calcium sulfonate complex technology has been incorporated into an advanced grease formula that takes advantage of outstanding properties inherent in this chemistry. Starting with overbase calcium sulfonate as a critical raw material, Bilstein engineers formulated a family of grease that solves operational demands of the marketplace. R-2000 technology is unique. Its process and composition has been awarded a United States patent, number 4560489. Virtually all the properties of R-2000 are derived from this complex chemical compound. The crystalline calcium carbonate salt, known as calcite, is dispersed in the oil in micellar form. X-ray diffraction data has confirmed that these calcite particles to be thin, wafer-like platelets, with a pronounced tendency to orient in a parallel manner and adhere to metal substrates. The high degree of association between these parallel platelets forms an easily sheared film, thereby providing extreme pressure and anti-wear protection. With this unique chemistry, the complex sulfonate not only functions as an oil thickener, but also provides essentially all performance properties to the grease. Bilstein's family of R-2000 sulfonate greases was specifically developed for industrial, automotive, and fleet applications. R-2000 outperforms other premium greases such as lithium complex, aluminum complex, and polyurea in many areas. R-2000 technology easily passes the standard set by the National Lubricating Grease Institute for wheel bearing and chassis applications. This GCLB rating is the highest performance standard set by the NLGI and certifies Bilstein's commitment to quality in all of its products. Bilstein believes that anyone who understands the advantages of the calcium sulfonate complex technology in R-2000 grease will never settle for anything less. In order to better understand what this means to your equipment's efficient performance day after day, let's look at the significant characteristics required of a high-tech multi-purpose grease. Rust and corrosion resistance. Bilstein believes R-2000 technology to be the best available in the world for applications where rust and corrosion are problems. Here, a range of competitive formulations are tested against R-2000's calcium sulfonate complex in a tough salt fog environment. With a covering 1.5 mils thick, R-2000 outperformed the competition by a factor of 10, still performing after 1,000 hours. All this without the addition of rust and corrosion inhibitors, as is typical of other multi-purpose lubricating greases. Proof positive of R-2000's superior performance. Whenever rust and corrosion are constant factors, R-2000 is the solution for outstanding protection against rust and corrosion. Additionally, R-2000 has excellent resistance properties. Using the ASTM D217 work stability test, R-2000's calcium sulfonate formulation was mixed with 50% water and remained virtually unchanged in consistency. In a specially designed wash-off demonstration, the water resistance properties of R-2000 can also easily be seen. R-2000 can be formulated to resist washout and softening in a work environment where contact with water is unavoidable. Performance at high temperatures. R-2000's calcium sulfonate complexes provide long bearing life at high operating temperatures and have dropping points significantly higher than plus 550 degrees Fahrenheit. This means at a dropping point ASTM D566 test, the grease does not become fluid at temperatures approaching 600 degrees Fahrenheit. And that after cooling to room temperature, R-2000 returns to its original grease structure in consistency, unlike lithium complex and polyurea greases. The ASTM D1263 wheel bearing leakage test also shows outstanding performance against the competition. Even when modified to run at a higher temperature, 325 degrees Fahrenheit, the performance of R-2000 calcium sulfonate complex technology is superior to other greases. Yet another proof of high temperature performance is the ASTM 3336 lubrication light test, used to evaluate the ability of a grease to provide adequate lubrication of ball bearings for extended periods. Here, the test measures the ability to operate under light loads at high speeds and elevated temperatures. R-2000's performance was excellent. Once again, quality has been engineered into Bilstein's R-2000 grease, giving you the assurance of consistent performance in high temperature situations.